Swami, similarly, can I also do papam and offer the fruits to him? You said that all punya phalam should be to him. So can all papa phalam be also be to him? Adu panna mudiyadhu. Because Bhagavan doesn't like papam. He likes punyam, but we have a problem with punyam. Bhagavan doesn't stop you from doing punyam. But if you do punyam, then that may stop you from going to Vaikuntham. Now you will have to shed the impression that if you have lot of punyam, you can reach Vaikuntham. It's not the case. You will have to null your account. Your account balance has to be zero. Neither a positive balance nor a negative balance. A company cannot be wound up if it has any asset or any liability. Both, the company cannot be wound up. If it's liability, that has to be shared. If it's asset, that should also be shared. The assets and liabilities have to turn to zero. Then you can easily wind the company. Similarly, this company has to be wound. Swami, I would not like to take birth anymore. I'd like to reach Vaikuntham. Then, if you are desirous of that, null your account. You will have to make the balance to zero. No punyam, no papam. So, Bhagavan does not stop punyam. I have a problem if I do punyam. So, to circumvent the problem, I offer the results of that punyam to God. And even in the first instance, Bhagavan does not like papam. So, I cannot do papam at all. So, this is how we need to adjust the understanding of papam and punya. Let us continue all the punya actions, but offer the results of that punyam to God. This is how a sannyasi practices. How will he conduct himself? Renounces everything. And so happy, doing good. Swami, there were great sannyasis who have done hundreds and hundreds of yajnam. They have printed so many books. They have distributed food to so many millions of people. They are all sannyasis. They do more than us. In fact, in today's world, sannyasis perform more than us. We do very little. And they don't sleep at all. They sleep for 4 hours. We sleep for 8 hours. They eat much little, much lesser. We eat more. But actually, they are supposed to not do anything. Whereas we don't do anything. They do a lot. Even today, sannyasis work more. They perform more. How is it? Because they want to do punyam. They want to help this society. But at the same time, not accumulate any punyam to them. So they offer. This is the real meaning of sannyasa. Ramanuja is also a sannyasi. He would have renounced all actions. When he has renounced, then where is the question of relatives? So now, can we also become a sannyasi, Swami? Can we also be a tyagi? We can. Even without a saffron robe, even without a tridandam, we can practice a little of sannyasa. If we are able to renounce whatever we do, I come to God, I pray to Him. Swami, what did you pray? When I suddenly question, I'll get at least 100 different answers. What did you pray to God? I didn't pray anything. Pallandu, pallandu, pallayirattandu. I came here to bless auspiciousness to Him. I just pleaded to God that all the auspiciousness be with you. Swami, is He to bless me or should I bless Him? When great sannyasis or acharya purushas visit a temple, we don't call Darshana Acha, Perumal Sevayacha Ketamato. Mangala Shasana Acha. Abdini Sholro. Inniki G.S. Swami Mangala Shasanam. What does it mean? G.S. Swami is going to bless God with all auspiciousness. Mangala, auspiciousness. Ashana, blessing. Mangala Shasana, Ashasana, blessing. So if I bless auspiciousness to God, that itself is a great prayer. What do we pray to Him then? Let all the human beings get food. Let them all turn to be mumukshus. We discussed yesterday. The only wish of Bhagavan is to transform us to be a mumukshu. We would like to be a mumukshu. Adana. So we come and plead God to that. Not wish for anything else. But does it mean that you won't be blessed? You will certainly be blessed. I request you to donate me 1,000. You accepted. Then I asked, Swami, can you donate 500? You had accepted for 1,000. But can it be 500 now? I am a fool. If you have accepted for 500 and I now change it to 1,000, there is some meaning in it. You had already agreed for 1,000. But if I ask 500, Swami, what happened to him? I accepted for 1,000. Why is he asking 500? 500 is included in 1,000. But 1,000 is not included in 500. Right? Similarly, I pray to God and request Him, let all be good. Let all auspicious be with this universe. Sarve janaha sukhino bhavantu. Samasta sanmangalani santu. If I pray for that, is my well-being not included in that? That is also. But if I pray selfish for myself, then universe is not included in my prayer. If I pray for all, I am included. But if I pray for myself, the others are not included. Vasudaiva Kudumbakam, Adiyargal Vaja, Aranga Nahar Vaja, Shadagoban Tandamunul Vaja, Kadalsunda Mandulaham Vaja. Let one and all be safe. Let one and all be happy. Let universal brotherhood prevail. Let peace prevail everywhere. This is the great thinking of any Sanatana Dharmi. Ramanuja would have also had the great thinking. Then, why did he have relatives? As a sannyasi, he was supposed to abandon all of them, not have any relationship with his family at all. He is known as a yati, as a sannyasi. Who is a yati? He is not only yati, he is yati raja, yatirat, yati raja, yatirat, yati, yatate, yatati, prayatnam karoti iti yatihi. Yatati, one who tries a lot. Yatate, yatati, yat, dhatu to try. He tries and tries to reach. Yachati, he finally gives to people. He reaches for himself. One who apnoti, one who reaches God by efforts, and one who gives the shares or the results of his efforts to one and all is a yati. So Ramanuja is also one who does lot of efforts. He puts efforts to uplift the downtrodden, all these people. So he is a yati. He is also a sannyasi. When you take sannyasa, it's customary. The religious practice says, I will have to stand in a neck-deep pond. I have to enter a pond, stand in neck-deep water, and throw up both my hands, pray to God, Sanyastamaya, Sanyastamaya, Sanyastamaya. I have renounced, I have renounced, I have renounced. All, no relatives. Pitaram, Mataram, Daran, Putran, Bandhun, Sakhin, Gurun, Ratnani, Dhanadhanyani, Kshetrani cha Grihani cha Sarva Dharman cha Santyajya Sarva Kamam cha Shaksharan Lokavikranta Charano Sharanante Abrajam Vibho. This is the shloka we recite when unconditionally surrendering to God. Pitaram, Mataram, Daran, my father, my mother, Dara, my wife. Putran, all my sons and daughters. Bandhun, all other relatives. Sakhin, my friends. Gurun, my acharya even. Pitaram Mataram Daran Putran Bandhin Sakun Gurun Ratnani Dhanadhanyani. All the precious gems that I possess. Dhanadhanyani, my dhana, my wealth. Dhanya, all the paddy or wheat that I hold. Ratnani Dhanadhanyani. Kshetrani, acres and acres of land that I own. Grihanicha, more homes that I have. Sarva Dharmancha Santyajya. I renounce all the dharmas. Sarva Kamamcha Saksharan. I renounce all my desires. Saksharan Lokavikranta Charano. I surrender to your lotus feet. Ho Trivikrama, one who measured this universe with your 3 feet. Ho Trivikrama, I surrender to you. Putran Bandhun Trivikrama Tat Charanambujadaya Madiya Murdhanam Alankarishyati. So we all pray and surrender to God. He is a sannyasi. So as a sannyasi, one has to renounce. But do you know what happened when Ramanuja assumed as a sannyasi? He was 32 in his age. He got married when he was 16. He turned to be an ascetic sannyasi when he was 32. It all happened in Kanchipuram. In Kanchi, Lord Devaraja, the presiding deity, Srinidhim Nidhimaparam Arthinam, Arthitartha Paridana Dikshitam, Sarvabhuta Subhridam Dayanidhim, Devaraja Mathiraja Mashraye. Devaraja Perumal, Kanchi Deva Perumal. He was the one who blessed Ramanuja with sannyasa. The Pushkarani of Kanchi is known as Ananta Saras. The Vimanam of Kanchi is Punyakoti Vimanam. The place is Satyavrata Kshetra. So in Satyavrata Kshetra, Ramanuja assumes the 4th ashrama, sannyasa ashrama. It's called as Turiya ashrama. He stands in neck-deep water and prays to God. Sanyastamaya, Sanyastamaya, I have abandoned. I have renounced. I have renounced. I have renounced. Except my nephew Dasharathi. That was one rider which Ramanuja added. When he renounced all, he did not renounce one relative. And that one relative was his Marumagan, his sister's son, Marumahan nephew Dasharathi. Dasharathi was none other than Mudali Andan. He was popularly known as Mudali Andan. Mudali, the acharyas who were Shishyas of Ramanuja. Andan, the leader of all those Mudaligal, was Mudali Andan. Mudali Andan was, his original name was Dasharathi. Ramanuja somehow said, I am not renouncing Dasharathi. I will be with Dasharathi and Dasharathi will be with me. People are surprised. What is this? Is a sannyasi? Can a sannyasi afford to hold a relative? Ramanuja said, I am not holding on to him as a relative. Instead, he is a very good administrator. I hold on to him as I want to set right the administration of Srirangam temple. Tennarangan Shelvam Muttun Tirutti Vaittan Valiye. Arangan Shelvam, the wealth of Srirangam was not in good hands. In fact, the administration was poor. So Ramanuja, when he reached Srirangam, he had to take over the administration. He did. But he needed helping hands to do the administration well. So he had Mudaliyandan Dasharathi, who was the Maniyakarar then. There is one coveted post in Devasthanam. It's called as Maniyakarar. Maniyakarar, the internal administrator, who keeps the time, who keeps clock, who watches the time. In Srirangam, time and punctuality are very, very important. If the procession is at 5:30, you cannot see Perumal outside at 5:25. And you cannot see Perumal inside at 5:35. If it's 5:30, it is 5:30. If it looks like, Swami, my watch shows 5:35, இன்னும் புறப்பாடு நடக்கலைன்னால், change your watch. You cannot change the procession there. The time, புறப்பாடு time is 5:30. So if you want, you can go ahead, change your watch. Such is the punctuality established by Ramanuja. All the systems, the practices, the customs that are followed in Srirangam were established by Ramanuja and ably controlled, very efficiently administered by Mudaliyandan. So Ramanuja wanted to hold back to Mudaliyandan. He is his Marumahan. So I have now told you one relative who is not renounced. But not for the sake that he was a blood relative of Ramanuja. Instead, Mudaliyandan was a great acharya. He was a great disciple. Paduke yatirajasya kathayanti yadakhyaya tasya dasharathe padau shirasa dharayamyaham. This is a Taniyan shloka. Every acharya has a Taniyan shloka. It is very important we memorize the Taniyan shloka and recite it every day. This is a way to show our gratitude to that acharya. Paduke yatirajasya. Mudaliyandan was also revered as the sandals of Ramanuja, the Paduka of Ramanuja. Paduke yatirajasya. When you visit all temples, you bow down before Ramanuja and ask for what? Swami, Shatari Sadikirila. Can you bless us with Shatari in Kekro? That is right in a Perumal Sanadi. Shatari is Nammalvar. Shatakopa Muni of Alvar Tinagari. Nammalvar is the sandals of God. So you can request for Shatari Nammalvar as Paduka. But when we go to Nammalvar Sanadi, what will the sandals of Nammalvar be called? It's called as Madhura Kavihal or Ramanuja. Ramanuja, Sri Ramanujan Sadi in gold. If we go to Alvar Tinagari, the birthplace of Swami Nammalvar, we must request Sri Ramanujan Sadi in gold as the sandals of Nammalvar. Maran Adipanin Duindavar is Ramanuja himself. But in all other places, Nammalvar's Paduka is Madhura Kavihal. Now let us move on. The Paduka of Ramanuja, wherever you visit, Ramanuja Paduka would be Mudaliyandan. So please request, Swami, can you offer me, can you bless me with Mudaliyandan, which means the sandals of Ramanuja. But there is an exception. If you visit Tirumala, then it is not Mudaliyandan. You will have to request Anantalvan Sadi in gold. Tirumalai Anantalvan was a glorious acharya. He was the one who reached Tirumala as per the wish of Swami Ramanuja, established a beautiful garden and offered lots of flower garlands to Tirumalayappan every day. So that was the great service of Anantalvan, to recognize that in Tirumala, Ramanuja's sandals are known as Anantalvan. These are all some customs, some niceties which one must know in Shiva Vaishnava Sampradaya. This as a paribhasha. We don't just talk, don't talk common language. Swami, Elundurala Vandum, Devarir, Adiyen, Kudisai, Tirumaligai, Tirukkan Valarandurulugirar, Amudisaya Vandum, Kandorala Panna Vandum. Swami, is it Tamil or Sanskrit? What have you been talking now? This is very much Tamil. But this is a Shiva Vaishnava paribhasha language. We have lost touch with it nowadays. Appadi irukkakoodadhu. Adiyen. What does Adiyen mean? I am your servant. Adiyen. Non. No. Non. I think I am sounding egoistic. So it's not non. Instead it is Adiyen. I have to represent. I have to be vocal in saying that I am a servant. If you are not vocal, at least be vocal, Swami. You may be in your mind a servant or not. but at least tell so. The lip service at least say that you are a servant. Swami Tirumaligaikku varalama, Adiyen Kudisekku elundurala vandum. Don't call anyone Swami Vango. Swami elundurala vandum. Not just Swami, Devarir elundurala vandum. Swami Sadhicharanva. We will have a doubt. Ennadu Padambu Sadhichara, Sathumundu Sadhichara Kekariya. Swami Upanyasam Sadhicharanva. Appadina to talk is sadithal. And to when you offer food, when you give food or when you distribute shundal, it's also called prasadam sadithal. Prasadam sadhichila. So these are all certain great words. In fact, if you know them, it's good, and don't start using them where you work. No one will understand anything. It's all to be used in Nama Shivaitva Sampradayathukulla use pannikkiradhu idu. So Swami Ramanuja had a great disciple, had his disciple Mudaliyandan. He was his nephew. We have one nephew now. There is a Pasharam. This Pasharam, it seems that it was written by, it was authored by Kanchi Pratibadi Bhayankaram Sri Uve Annangaracharya Swami. You might have heard about him. He was a great scholar. The Pasharam goes like this. The Pasharam is in Tamil. I'll first read the Pasharam and explain the meaning in English. Kodacha Jnana Tirupavai Padina Pavai Tangai. Jnana Tirupavai Padiya Pavai. Who sung Tirupavai? Pavai Andal. Andal Tangai. This is a relative of Swami Ramanuja now. Andal is the younger sister of Ramanuja. Andal lived 4,000 years before Ramanuja. Swami, enna aachu umakku ipo? You are going to complete Upanyasams here today. It was okay yesterday and day before, but you now claim that a 4,000-year elder Andal as a younger sister to Ramanuja. Why so? I had already told you, no one is related by blood. No physical relation, but it is all spiritual relation. Atma Bandhu, Kodarchayana Tirupavai Padiya Pavai Tangai, Vadukku Valla Andan Marumahan. Vadukku Valla. Whenever Ramanuja wanted to enter into a debate with the great Vidwans of other Sampradayas, or Mayavadis, or other Sampradaya, Bahya, Kudritti, Sankhya, Mata, Pravartaka, Yadava Prakasha, Shankara, Bhaskara, Yadava, Bhatta, Prabhakara, there were so many Matam, so many Sampradayams. Whenever he wanted to debate with them, a very intellectual debate with them, he didn't find time. So he only requested Mudaliyandan to represent him in the debate. Mudaliyandan used to win all debates. So Vadukku Nalla Andan Marumahan. Vadukku Nalla. He was very, very smart in debating and winning. Nalla Andan Marumahan. Tambi Embar. Ramanuja had a brother. Tambi Embar. He was also a blood brother. Not only an Atma Bandhu, this nephew was also a Deha Bandhu. Tambi Embar was also a Deha Bandhu. But Ramanuja did not retain them because they are Deha Bandhus. He retained them because they were Atma Bandhus. They were fortunately Deha Bandhus. Tambi Embar. Teedatranyana Chelva Pillai. Teedatranana Chelva Pillayo Maindan. Chella Pillai. Melukotai Yatiraja Sampath Kumaran Ramapriyan. The deity god of Melukotai, the Utsavamurti is Ramapriyan. Ramapriyan, Maindan, is the son of Ramanuja. Swami, Yatiraja has a son. Yatiraja has a younger brother. Yatiraja has a younger sister. Yatiraja has a nephew. What more do you want? Yes, all relatives possible. Maindan, Yedukku Ramanujanai Yedi என்று இயம்புவது இருநிலமே. Yedukku Ramanujanai Yedi என்று இயம்புவது. Why is this world calling Ramanuja as a Yati? He is not a Yati at all. He has not renounced any relatives. He has a son. He has a nephew. He has a younger sister. He has a younger brother. He has everyone. Then why do you call him as an Yati? We do because these were not with him because they were family members. Instead, they were all because they were related by God and through God for God. Let me tell you the little instances, the happenings in the life and history of Swami Ramanuja, which made them called with this relationship. Vadu Tangai, Kodarchayana Tirupavai Padiya Pavai Tangai. Andal Tirupavai Padiya Pavai. Shudi Kodutta Shudar Kodiye, Tolpavai Padiyarodavalla Palvalayai, Nadini Vengadavarkenna Vidiyanna Immarcham, Nankadava Vandame Nalku. Today is a great day. The auspicious birthday of Andal, Adi Masam, Pura Nakshatram, Indro Tiruvadi Puram, Yamakkahavanno Ingandal Avadharittal, Kunnada Valvana Vaihunda Vanpohan Tanna Igandu, Alvar Tirumahalarai. Andal is Bhudevi Nachiyar in Shivaikuntha. She descends to this material world, taking pity on us to help us with the great Shastra of how to reach God, how to focus all our three faculties, our mind, our speech and body on God. She descended and sung Tirupavai 30 Pasharams, one other collection Nachiyar Tirumozhi with 143 Pasharams. Andal lived in this world hardly for 5-6 years. She was the only female Alvar. She got married to God at the tender age of 6. That Andal, it seems, is the younger sister of Ramanuja. How did this happen? Andal, we know she was Periyalvar's daughter, and was Periyalvar related to Ramanuja? Swami Periyalvar lived much earlier. Ramanuja was born in 1017. Even as per recorded history, Alvars were in the 8th century. Ramanuja lived in the 11th century. So at least 300 years old. But as per Shiva Vaishnava hagiology, they were all in the early parts of Kali Yuga. It is now 5118 years have passed in Kali Yuga. Alvars were born in the early years of Kali Yuga. So probably Andal would have been 4000 years elder to Ramanuja. Then how is she the younger sister of Ramanuja? She herself claimed, she herself named Ramanuja as her elder brother. When did that happen? Ramanuja has a name, Godagraja. Agraja, one was born before, the elder brother. Godagraja, the elder brother of Goda. Goda, the Sanskrit name of Andal. She Vishnu Chitta Kulanandana Kalpavalli. She Rangaraja Harichandana Yoga Drishya. Sakshat Kshamam Karunaya Kamalamimanya. Godam Ananya Sharanaha. We all destitutes. We seek refuge in the lotus feet of Andal. If we recite the Pasharams of Andal, Bhagavan is so pleased with us. He blesses Andal and also those who recite the Pasharams of Andal. That's the reason why Tirupavai is so popular. You ask a 5-year-old child, he would know Tirupavai. All recitation competitions are on Tirupavai. Will anyone have a recitation competition on Tiruvallugur of Tirumangalvar? Swami, I have not even heard the name of this Pasharam. We don't do any recitation competition. But even to a 90-year-old senior citizen, Tirupavai. 50-year, Tirupavai. Male, Tirupavai. To a learned, Tirupavai. To the ignorant, Tirupavai. It seems that Bhagavan is too pleased when we recite Tirupavai. Padahangal Tirkum, Paraman Adigatum, Vedamanithikum Vittagum, Kodadamul, Ayaindu Maindu. Andal sang Tirupavai. She reached Vaikuntha. In her Nachiyar Tirumozhi, the other collection of poems, she wanted to offer great prasadam, sumptuous feast to Tirumalirincholamalai Kalladagar. If you had been listening to the Pashara Seva Kalam today, they would have given a pass. They have passed just before this Pashara. Naru Nadum Podil, Malirum Shola Nambikinan, stopped, and at that time, all the prasadams moved on before Perumal. It was all offered to God. Once the prasadams were offered, then they started Naru Nadum Podil, Malirum Shola Nambikinan. There is a significance with this Pasharam and offering prasadam to God. Andal wanted to offer 100 big vessels full of butter, 100 big vessels full of akkaradishil to Tirumaluncholamalai Kalladagar. Kalladagar Sundaratoludayan, Sundarayata Bhujam Bhajamahe, Vriksha Shandamaya Madri Masthitam, Yatra Suprathita Nupurapaga, Tirtha Marthita Palapradam Viduhu. Have you had darshan of Tirumaluncholamalai? It's close to Madurai. Sundaratoludayan, it seems a god, a handsome god with 4 hands and the great broad shoulders. Sundaratoludayan, Sundarabahu. Andal was in great love with Sundarabahu. Andal wanted to offer 100 big buckets, 100 big vessels full of akkaradishil. Akkaradishil is different from Shakara Pongal. Don't confuse. Shakara Pongal is cooked in water. Akkaradishil is cooked in milk. The cooking, the dravam, it's not water. You'll have to cook in milk. 60-70 liters of milk. Just 1 kg or 1 pound of rice. I mean, it won't get cooked. Do you know cooking? I think you don't know, you have forgotten. Can we cook 1 kg of rice and 60 kg of milk? You can. For 1 kg of rice, don't stop there. For every grain of rice, add 1 badam, 1 cashew, 2 pista, 2 diamond kalkandu, 3 draksha. If you do, then will they not now finally become 20 kgs? We started with 1 kg, you add another 20 kgs and stir for at least 7 hours. Your shoulders must pain. You will have to stir and stir. Finally, after 7 hours, you will have a beautiful prasadam in hand. And that is not spoiled for 15 days if offered to Kalladakar. If you cook and have for yourself, in 15th minute it will be spoiled. You have to cook for 7 hours, offer to Kalladakar, then it's not spoiled, you can hold and eat. In fact, you can enjoy eating it for at least 2 weeks to come. It's done even today. Nooru Thada Akkaradisil, Nooru Thada Vennai, Vai Nerundu Paravi Vaithen, Naru Narum Podil Malirum Sholai Nambikkinan, Nooru Thadavil Vennai, Vai Nerundu Paravi Vaithen, Nooru Thada Nerenda Akkar Adisil Chonnen. Yeru Tiruvadayan Innu Vandivai Kollungolo. Will Sundarabahu visit me today and take with, will he be pleased by accepting my offer? I would like to offer. Will Bhagavan accept my offer? By the time Andal closed her lips, closed her mouth singing that song, all the 100 vessels were empty. Swami, where did it all go? Sundara Toludaya net. Andal wanted to offer, she offered, but all these offerings were only mental. Nothing was physical. Andal cannot move from Shivilibuttur. You will have to think the status of a Brahmin girl thousands and thousands of years ago. She was a Brahmin girl, and a girl of 6 years old. Can she go out? Will she have any authority or right to do anything? Well, will they allow? They were also possessive families. They will not allow. It's all safety. It's all security. You can't go. And where is the more to go? Andal can only think and sing that she offered. She wishes to offer 100 big vessels of akkar, and butter. But she did not. It was only through her songs, pasharams, she offered. Even today, in daily puja, just before offering prasadam, we recite this pasharam so that Bhagavan is pleased accepting that prasadam. In the pasharam, we sing, Naru Narum Podil Malirum Sholai Nambikkinan. This all happened 4,000 years ago. 1,000 years later, Ramanuja took birth. He was conducting a Kalakshema Upanyasa. He was explaining the meaning of this pasharam. Naru Narum Podil Malirum Sholai Nambikkinan. There were a big gathering of devotees. The audience was big. And Ramanuja suddenly thought, now Andal was desirous of offering 100 big vessels of butter and akkar addition. But I know that she could not have. She could not have fulfilled her desire. Now why can't we do? If she could not, can we not? We have all the arms and ammunition available. He is blessed. So can he not do? He called for all his devotees. They immediately gathered. They went to Tirumaladin Cholamalai. They cooked Nooru Thada Akkar Addisil, Nooru Thada Vennai, offered to Kalladakar. Kalladakar were very happy that the wish of Andal was fulfilled. Ramanuja promptly reached Shivilibuttur. That is the place of Andal. Ramanuja reached Shivilibuttur just to inform and pray to Andal that your wish was fulfilled today. Your wish was 4,000 years ago. That got fulfilled to today. But Andal was expecting this to happen. She knew that Ramanuja would come. When Ramanuja enters, Andal comes out in a procession in her palanquin. She invited Ramanuja and called him Agraja, oh my elder brother. It was a pleasant surprise to Ramanuja. Why are you calling me elder brother? It is a duty, and it was a very loving duty of any brother to fulfill the wish of his sister. இதெல்லாம் அந்த நாள்ல இப்பெல்லாம் தெரியாது எனக்கு. நீங்க தெரியுது அப்படியா சுவாமின்னு நான் என்ன பண்ணுவேன்? இதை நீ சொல்லி முடிச்சா தலையாட்டினா நல்லா இருக்கும். இப்படின்னா ஒன்னும் கேள்வியே பட்டது இல்லையா? எனக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? நான் ராமானுஜர் காலம் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன். அதனால in those days brothers fulfilled the wish of their sisters. So Ramanuja did. நமக்கு இருந்தா நல்லா தான் இருக்கும். ஆனா to all those to ladies என்ன வழக்கமேனால் அது எத்தனை 80 வயசா இருந்தா கூட கொஞ்சம் அப்படியே அந்த உடம்பிறந்தான் வீட்டுக்கு போய் சீர் வாண்டதுன்னா நல்லா தான் இருக்கும். இருந்தது. அதெல்லாம் இப்ப இருக்கான்னு எனக்கு தெரியாது இப்போ. அதனால anyhow, with I am talking about material things now, whereas here in Ramanuja it's only an Atmabandhu. So Andal addressed Ramanuja as Agraja. From then on he was also revered as Godagraja. Goda Andal, Agraja, the elder brother of Andal, Koil Annan. In Tamil he was called as Koil Annan. Koil is Srirangam. Here is an Annan who visits from Srirangam. Ramanuja is an Annan. Annan is elder brother. Koil Annan. He visits from Srirangam. So he was called in Tamil as Kovil Annan and in Sanskrit as Godagraja. There are many names for Ramanuja. Ramanuja, Lakshmanamuni, Ilayalvar, Emberumanar, Udayavar, Godagrajar, many more names. Adala Godagrajar, this is how he became the elder brother of Andal. So he has a younger sister now. Andal, the younger sister. Swami, is he a sannyasi now? Of course he is a sannyasi. Then why is this younger sister? Younger sister related through God, through Kalladaha, not directly. No direct relationship. Instead it was through God. Pavai Tangai, Kodatrayana Tirupavai Padiya Pavai Tangai. Vadukku Valla Andan Marumahan, Andan Mudali Andan was his nephew. Ramanuja never left his nephew. There is a reason behind this.